short performances, you'll be pleased to know, of different kinds. You do singing, dancing, comedy, and acrobatics. I have a go of saying the word, let alone doing it. So, we'll try and do the first three for you, but the last one we're not going to do. Most of the people performing tonight, frankly, their days of doing somersaults have gone a long, long time ago. Actually, I did think, to make things easier, but I did think of doing a gymnastic display myself this evening for you. And I rang up the local kid, and I said to the chap, can you teach me how to do the splits? And he said, how flexible are you? I said, well, I can't do Tuesdays or Thursdays. Anyway, the important thing now is for you to imagine that you are the top West End theatre, a lovely comfortable seat, you lean back. The lights dim, the curtains pull, and somebody goes, bang! Not a lot happens, but someone else goes, bang! Ah! Good evening, sir or madam. What do you think you're doing?
Young man, I am here to go out strolling.
Strolling? On the road? On the road?
No, I've got friends.
You've got friends, where are they?
Have you?
I'm one of friends, where are
Oh, it
they?
doesn't surprise me.
Ah! More friends. Who is this gentleman? No, he's not a gentleman. In a minute the music will start. Won't it? You say, yes, it will. It will. There you say, it will.
Just strolling in the cool of the evening air. I don't envy the rich in their automobiles.
Only